Good evening, hackathon enthusiasts. Our group is called the Club of the Day Club, and our topic is functionalized hydrogels for enamel and repair devices. So to give you a little background on dental health, tooth decay is the most common oral disease in the world, and the World Health Organization estimated that 2.5 billion people have untreated tooth decay as of 2022. The picture on the shot on the side shows the stages of tooth decay, but to summarize it, certain foods are acidic for your teeth that lead to plaque buildup and cause mineral loss, which can lead to decay in enamel, dentin, and decay in the bulb, which is the nerve center in your tooth. And studies have found a link between poor oral health and increased cardiovascular and respiratory mortality. As you see on the side, chronic parodontitis, an example of poor oral health and the things on the side that it can lead to. An example of how it can lead to diabetes is oral infections can have an inflammatory response that leads to elevated blood sugar levels, resulting in diabetes. So now we talk about tooth mineralization, which is the process of your teeth absorbing minerals that will allow it to could become stronger and repair itself. And the most common mineral, a biomineral, is called hypoxyapatite, which is what you see on the side. So this mineral is very common in dental care products, and it's formed. It deposits on your teeth and forms enamel and dentin. And the common minerals for this would be calcium, phosphate, and fluoride. As fluoride enhances enamel resistance to acidity, which causes mineral loss. And as you see on the side, this is the hierarchical assembly of how this biomineral scales up and forms enamel and dentin.
Okay, hello everyone. So this is hydrogel. Hydrogel are 3D cross-linked polymer networks contain a large amount of water, and it also uses gelatin, as gelatin is a natural polymer and which is made from the hydrolytic degradation of protein from collagen, and it has distinctive structure which gives it a several medical benefits. And to enhance its properties, it is cross-linked with silica as well, and silica can act as a carrier of bioactive ions, and it also facilitates the sustained release, and it has also excellent biocompatibility and biodegradability, which used for the medical use. So we introduce the enamel repair retainers, which is made from silica gelatin hydrogel, and these retainers are functionalized with fluoride for remineralization, and calcium and phosphate to support enamel regeneration, and additionally it also use potassium nitrate for desensitization, which helps to reduce the tooth sensitivity. And it has why this technology has effective, because it has some key aspects, which has the tunable mechanical properties, which can customize the property based on their needs and sustain release over 3 to 6 months. And it also has the biocompatible gelatin network, which is safe for the oral use.
All right, so let's get into the experimental design. I don't have much time. Okay, basically we're going to use what's called a sol gel method. It's kind of like a dump and stir, 24 to 48 hours of our polymers, our organic components, our ion solutions. We're going to try different formulations to tune our properties, such as porosity, which affects controlled release. We'll do some characterization, chemical composition, surface morphology, and even some 3D nanoscale stuff. Some testing using acid etching to test the efficacy of our hydrogel. I can talk more about that later. And then to conclude, basically what we want to do is we want to just have this hydrogel be applied to larger scale retainer mold scaffold with optimized properties in it for comfort, for nightly use, and for long-term wear. And so also we want it to work in the sense that it prevents mineral loss and promotes enamel regrowth and repair. Ultimately, we can create this affordable and readily available commercial device that targets a growing multi-billion-dollar industry in dental care, and eventually we can provide over-the-counter dental care for consumers around the world. Thank you.
Questions? Good.
So what I see here is a commercial product, right? A well-done concept. So where do you see that, or where do you see that the innovation will be to take this product faster to industry or to the market? Because there are a lot of products that can promise the same or similar solutions. So what is that key component that we can say, yes, you can have funding to do prototyping and take it to the market faster?
So I think there's several things. The first thing is that I don't think there's anything like this out there. It's kind of analogous to toothpaste that has whitening ingredients, and then you have whitening strips. The whitening strips is more effective because it's on your teeth for a longer time. We do have toothpaste that promote enamel repair, but there is not anything like a sort of treatment that you can wear overnight that would do this prolonged and more intensive treatment. And then also there's a market for it because a lot of people, when it comes to getting these treatments and for repair, there's a thing of, a lot of people have dental insurance, or a lot of these procedures are very expensive. So this would have a large target market for people, and these if you run the numbers, which we didn't include, it's not very expensive to make, and it's not very time consuming. It's just more so getting the steps like testing and all that done.
FDA approval.
Yes, of course.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.